Good morning. This is workday. And it's on a Saturday. I just took a shower. I'm up really early. Friday I had a great night with sewing friends, and now I need to work. Have a client consultation and have a pickup quilt that I have to pick up, and she wants me to make her a quilt, and she's giving me her fabric. So it's early morning. Been up since 7, so let's do this. Do you see that right there? Right there? That is a label that a client asked me to embroider. And now I need to find where that center line is to here and then divide the blanket. Okay, math. We need it. It's necessary. So it's 33.5. Don't forget, I measured from this down. Okay? So fold it in half. And so it has to be 30. Shoot, 30. So I need to go in 3 inches, 3.5 inches. I folded the quilt. So for this label to be centered to the quilt is 30. 3.5 inches, it has that salvage. Perfect. I know how far in I need to keep going and have this edge. Where to place this quilt so that this label is still on the quilt. Math. Measuring from this top all the way down to, so it's 66. So now I'm gonna get my client's quilt top. This quilt is 76. So if I just put it at the top, it'll be fine because it's like 79. So I know where to place the quilt on the edge, and I know that this label down here will still be on the quilt when I'm done. And hopefully I did the label right. So I'm laying the batting down, and I'm laying it probably like 3.5 inches or 3 inches, and then on the quilt I'm gonna come in 1/2 inch. I'm winding bobbins, if you're wondering what you heard. Oh shoot, okay. Hopefully this is wide enough. Oh, Father have mercy. If it's offset, it's okay. I need to text her. I have to text the client. Oh, Father. Yes, that's fine. Texting client. All right. I'm on roll 4? Yeah. And you can see I think there's real bad lint. So, look. Look how bad that looks, the lint. And just a little rolling. Beautiful antique quilt. She's a bit crooked, but it's beautiful. Getting quilted. She's beautiful, look at that. This is one of my antique quilts that I found. I've had her on leaders for a while and still haven't finished her. I just finished the other quilt, so I'll show you what she looks like. But I'm working on a Saturday, I might as well work on one of mine. Ugh. so I'm downstairs and I could hear the long arm going. I'm going to be doing some embroidery work for a couple clients, and I need to get this machine started and this machine going, and it's just an exciting process. So I'm gonna be running up and down and then I have a different job for here. I need to make sure that these are the right size. So I was test hooping it, where you're hooping to see if the design will fit within the space and it'll have enough workspace to grab under here. I want to get this fast frame ready on this machine because I'm going to do numbers on one machine and I'm going to do names on another machine. On that machine, I'm using a square one because we're doing names on that machine. On this machine, we're going to use a circle one because we're going to do numbers on this one. Hopefully I won't make mistakes and put the wrong name on the wrong number. It happens. And then this is going to be for names. And then this one's going to be for numbers on the hat. And I have my hats here. I don't know if you see. Get it a little light so you can see my hats here. I already did the vinyl cutting for the jerseys. I'm gonna pick my numbers. So this is gonna be run up and down day. I'm getting my steps in. And now we're gonna be working on these sweet little baby quilts. I am going to be running up and down today because I'm getting ready for the sweet honeybee. I want to do a vlog of what the sweet honeybee entails, but today we're going to be also working on this. I have a couple of quilts. I have a quilt back I need to fix and a quilt top I need to put together, so it's going to be a scramble day today, okay? So I hope you like scrambled eggs because that's what it's going to be. All right, let's do this. So I got batting on here. The reason I'm setting these up is they're not as much work as other quilts. I don't know, can you see through on this? Oh, you can see through. Okay, oh, I need to pin it then. Dang. All right, now. Oh my God, and I went doing errands looking. Oh my God. Lasering, embroidery, long arm quilting, and making plexiglass rulers and lasering boards. So scrambled eggs, okay, scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna bring you in. It's noisy because I'm doing a lot of stuff. So right now I'm doing the labels. So you can see the chaos. Both machines are going. Everything's a mess over here. I just made this and I made this box. Isn't that cool? And the board. I'm doing plexiglass rulers right now. Alright, so I had to change shirts because the other one was see-through. Okay, I'm working on this other quilt right now. I already just finished this one, which you can see right there. And now I'm putting this one on. Something crazy was happening outside. The lady was screaming at a man. It makes you want to think like, man, she's crazy. But what did the dude do to her to make her crazy? Women? Alright, let me finish. So I just finished this row. I was downstairs lasering, embroidering. What else was I doing? Cutting plexiglass. Like, today is a great day. Scramble egg day. What is it? Deluxe platter, Denny's or something. Eggs, bacon, bread, even some pancakes. That's my day today. Whole bunch of stuff getting done.